Beautifying item numbers in LaTex Beamer presentation. In this video, as promised earlier, we discuss how to beautify the item numbers in LaTex Beamer presentation. More precisely, we make the item numbers look as follows. Look at these item numbers inside colorful balls. Item numbers can also be expressed like this using colorful stars or colorful triangles or colorful squares or circles like this. For all these colorful enumerated items, insert the following set of codes in the preamble of your text file just before the line containing begin document. So what are those codes? These are the codes. I have given a link for these codes in the description of this video. So this part is for balls, then this part is for all those colorful circles, this part is for colorful squares, this part is for colorful stars, then colorful triangles, and this line is important. Here this option new star, if you want star then you have to write new star, but there are other options like new ball, new circle, new square. A new star is already there, new triangle. So you can replace this new star by any of these options. Then you will get ball, circle, square, triangle, and so on. And as far as the colors are concerned, you can replace this red color and green color by any other color of your choice. Alternatively, write the above codes in a new text file called newcodes.tex. You can open a new text file using TextMaker or Text Studio or anything else and open a blank file and then simply write the above codes in that file and call that file as newcodes.tex, or you can name it any other thing. And just save it in the folder containing your main text file. Okay, that means the folder which contains your main working text file, where you have written your manuscripts or research papers or anything like that. So in that folder you save this particular file. But remember, don't try to compile this file. You will get error message. Just save it. Now insert the line input new codes / input new codes in the preamble of your main text file just before the line containing begin document. That's all. Now watch the magic after writing the enumerated items as follows. So in the rest of the frames, wherever you need enumerated items, you can write the enumerated items like this, and you will notice how the item numbers have changed using all those new star, new ball, new circle, and so on. A download link for the file newcodes.tex is given in the description. You can download from there. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share my channel for more of such videos. Thank you.